Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Uniqueness's channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a successful campaign on LinkedIn Ads Manager that can bring you new leads. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to do everything you need. Okay, so once you've logged into your LinkedIn account, you will see this work option icon here at the top right corner. Click on it, and right down here, you'll see Marketing Solutions. Okay, let's click here. Then it will direct us to this page where we can create a new ad. Click on Create Ad, then we are in the Campaign Manager. Once we are in the Campaign Manager, we need to create an account. Click on that. We will call it Be Uniqueness's Ad Account. Next, we can select the currency as sterling pounds and associate this account with a company page. So here we will link this with our company's page, Be Uniqueness, and then click Save. Okay, so now as you can see, our new account has been created. It's called Be Uniqueness's Ad Account, and the selected company is Be Uniqueness. Let's go into the ad account, and here LinkedIn has already added something called Default Campaign Group. We're going to create our own campaign, so now click Create Campaign Group and call it LinkedIn Ad Tutorial. Next, we can add our budget to it, which is optional, start date, and the end date. Let's start it tomorrow and run indefinitely. The campaign status can be set to active. And now, let's save it. So we've created the new campaign group similar to what LinkedIn had already created for us. Now we can go inside this campaign group, and here we can actually create new campaigns. Let's start by clicking the Create Campaign button that will bring us to this page. Next, we need to give our campaign a name. Let's call it Website Traffic because we want to drive more traffic to our online content on our website. Then we have to choose the marketing objective. All of these options are relevant to the goals we want to achieve through the ad campaign. In terms of objectives, we have three different categories: awareness, consideration, and conversions. Basically, under awareness we can use brand awareness as the campaign objective. Under consideration, we have three options: website visits, engagement, and video views that we can use on a website, driving traffic to a landing page and directing people to a specific product or service. And in terms of engagement, you can use this objective if you want to have more conversions on your LinkedIn company page, to increase followers of the page, or even just to increase the engagement with the content that has been published on your company's page. And the last one is something new, as LinkedIn is promoting video content much more than it used to. So if you want people to watch more of your videos, then choose this objective. And in that way, your videos will be shown to more people and you'll get more video engagement. For conversions, we have lead generation. So we can use LinkedIn's lead forms to generate leads, and using LinkedIn conversion tracking, we can find out how many people are filling out the form and becoming a lead. We also have website conversions and job applicants, but because these two options are not very relevant to what we're talking about today, we'll skip this part. So we're going to choose website visits for our marketing objective, since we have already created some campaigns before and saved an audience, so we can just use saved audience for now. We won't go through the steps of how to set up a new audience for your campaign in today's video, but if you want to know more about it, click the link below and check out one of our tutorial videos. After selecting the audience, the next step is to choose our ad format. Okay, so let's look at these. LinkedIn provides us with a lot of different ad formats, such as single image ad. This is what will show up on the news feed. And you have carousel image ad. This is where you can have 2 or more images. And then you have video ad and text ad, which is going to be a simple text-based ad, and it will show on the right side. However, we wouldn't recommend you using this because it's the most basic ad format, and without any ad creative, your ad is not going to look good. So we'll skip this option. Then there is Spotlight ad, and the last one, Message ad, which will be used for InMail. So right now, we're going to choose Single Image ad because our marketing objective is to drive more traffic. Let's go ahead and select this. Once you have done this, select the company's page replacement. So we're going to click on Enable the LinkedIn Audience Network that can also allow us to show ads on different apps and sites that have a partnership with LinkedIn. Over here, it says that you can reach up to 25% more audiences on LinkedIn using their partnership apps and websites. So if you want to have more reach, you can select this. But again, it's optional. Next, we need to choose our budget. So we're going to select £20 for the daily budget over here, and then we can start scheduling the campaign in the future or start right now. Then we can choose the end date. So we're going to choose the end date just 3 days from now. Then we'll select the bid type, so we have automated bid, which we wouldn't recommend to start with. That's because if you're going to do this for the first time, we definitely choose enhanced cost per click bid, as that gives you more control over how much money you want to spend for every click. So let's go for the recommended bid for now, which is £6.58. Alright, so once everything's done, click Save and Next. Now this is where we will set up ads. So basically, we want to create a new ad and click on Create New Ad, and then provide a name. Again, it's going to be Website Traffic, and then provide an introduction text which will be shown on the top. Let's use something like Free Market Tutorial Videos, visit our website to learn more. Then provide a destination URL which will be Uniqueness's website. Now it asks us to provide a deadline and then a subdescription. Let's just use our name, Be Uniqueness, as the headline for now, and we're fine with the description, so that's fine as well. Next, we need to choose an image. So let's upload an image from desktop. We're going to use this one. And it looks good. Click on Create. Okay, once you've done that and are happy with everything, click Launch Campaign. And that's pretty much it.